Hello guys, welcome to Tech Ally tutorial. In this video, I am going to create a application which generate a. Hello guys, welcome to Tech Ally tutorial. In this video, I am going to create a text to audio generator app using Streamlit, Python, and Google Text to SPG GTTS. So before going to create, first we need to create a file which is I'm going to create under python.project. My file name is text to audio app.py. Okay, and don't skip this video so because you able to understand how I'm going to create this project. So first I have created the file, then after that we need to import the library, a specific library we require. So before going to import the any library, first we need to understand the folder structure. So there are two folder structure there in under the project folder: text to audio app.py, and once we hit the generate button it will come our output of audio mp3. So before going to create you know our project, then we need to import respective library. So I am going to give here steamrun.text.audio.app.py. This is my folder name, and what I need to install here before going to install, this is my folder name, text to audio.app.py. Here I am going to install library. This is a library pip install gtss streamlit and pydub. In my application, in my system already this library is installed. So you need to only give this library. I'll tell you how you can then give. Here you need to put pip install GTSS, Streamlight and PyDub. And then we hit the enter button, it will install. In my system already installed, so I'm not going to install once again. Okay. If you don't have, then you need to install giving this uh prompt. So I'm removing this one. Now one second. Now I need to write the then second step is there. We need to create a project our code base. Okay, what code we need to write? So coming here, so first what I'm going to create, first I need to import the all the uh, library which already I have installed in my system. So these are the library which we need to import from GTSS. Import GTSS, Streamlight as a ST, PyDub import from the audio segment, okay, and PyDub.playback import play, and import OS is a by default. Whenever you install any Python in your system, it will come by default. So we don't need to install this in our system. So uh, this library import part is done. Now coming to the second part, that is called we need to convert the text to speech. What application I'm going to build? Text to speech. So before that, while you are going to build text to speech, you need to focus on the what code you need to write. So first I'm going to create a function for that. Then function name and my language will be English. Okay. You can give anything. See, this is my function name, text to audio text language dot en. Once I am going to give this one, then what where I am means en, then what I need to call? I need to call this functionality. One second. TTS equal to GTTS, because this part is giving the converting the languages based on the whatever I am going to give and based on the your language selection. Okay. And my output file name is what is there, where my output file will save. This is my output file. One second. Yeah. The output file name is output.audio.mp3. Okay. These are my file name. And where I'm going to save, what I'm going to save, tts.save. Okay. So this tts, whatever I'm converting, that is I'm saving under the output file. Okay. This is then what I'm returning, output file. This is a simple code. Once you then we need to call the main Steam apps. So in a main Steam apps, we need to focus on the some part like we require title, okay, input, languages. what languages I'm going to convert. So first we need to create a one function that is called dev.man. Okay. So this is my function name. One second, dev.man. Under the function, what I need to create a title means application title. So I'm giving the st.title.ai AI text to audio generator. This is my title name of application. Okay. And if you want to give a markdown, you can give. If you don't want to give, you can. So I'm giving the markdown also based on the your requirement if you want. So because why I'm giving that is marker down, it will show that means what I'm going to convert and what my application is powered by, means which library is powered by, like TTS. There are multiple libraries there, but this in this application I am using the Streamlight with Google Power, Google TTS. Also Microsoft TTS also there, but I am using here Google TTS. Okay, that is. Then I need to then under this function we need to take the user input also. So for user input we need to write the text input is equal to st.text area. Here whatever text if you give means that is coming from the user. Okay, and while you are writing the Python, please focus on the where see some issue is coming. One second. Yeah, why is coming? Yeah. So this is done. Text input is equal to st.text area. This is done. Here I'm means whatever input prompt I'm going to enter from the user, that is coming. Then on second step is language selection. That is I'm going to take what language you want to select and what is language you need to convert. So that is this is my after input, means whatever input you are giving, and like you have given the English. Okay, you have given the Spanish, so based on that here you can select the language. Okay, and now I need to where I'm going to hit. So for hitting that I need to create a one button that is name is but generate button I can give the name. Okay, button to generate the audio where means, so I need to write a function for that. So I'm going to create a if statement. If st dot button, then it will create a if st dot button, it will generate the audio. This is my function name. Under that I'm going to run the else and if condition. First I'm going to run the if condition. If not text to strip, then it will play enter some text to audio. Else generate the audio and that file it will save the successfully message it will come. So this is a one second. Sometimes this kind of issue it will come because Python have some, this is a disadvantage on Python, but okay. Now I need to download the audio file. For downloading the audio file, we need to write this code. Okay. Here is the option with open file RB as a file, HT download button, and here my level is a download audio file, data file, and then file name is generated output means audio.mp3 and me is audio hyphen mp3. Okay. So these are the things you need to write under the code. Now I am going to give the run the app. This is a simple, you know, run the app. So if name is equal to main, then main you need to close. Okay. And this last line is 49 line. What I am giving. This is our file where you are going to run. The first what I will do, control.c. I don't know why this error is coming. One second. Okay. I'll go the terminal. Okay. New terminal I have opened. Yeah, my file name is Python project. Okay, cd dot Python project. So code is already running. I have already run the code. One second, I am getting some error. One second. Control C. One second. I have already run the code. Yeah, see here. It will take some time. Yeah, here code is my running. My app's name is text to audio app. See here. My application already open. Convert your text. So I'm going to give any text like hey, my name is take li to if you like the video Please subscribe to our channel and also follow in Instagram and Facebook for more updates. So similar like that, you can write your means prompt. You can give whatever you want. See here, I have selected the language English. Now I am going to generate the button. It is taking time. It will take time. Yeah, see, my video is generated. Audio is granted successfully. If you want to download, you can download here also. Here download button also there.
He might teach any tutorial. If like the video, please subscribe to our channel and follow in Instagram and Facebook.